Chapter 5. The Land of Ice and Snow, Greenland. Polar regions are the coldest part of the Earth. They cover the areas that fall between Arctic Circle and North Pole, Northern Hemisphere, and the Antarctic Circle and the South Pole, Southern Hemisphere. These areas have bitterly cold climate. These areas are covered vastly with ice and snow. The northern polar region includes northern Siberia in Asia, northern Canada in North America, and the island of Greenland. Greenland is a place that remains covered with snow and ice throughout the year. The Greenland lies in the continent of North America. Name of this large island had been given by Eric the Red in 981 AD. He was a Viking explorer. Greenland becomes a part of Denmark in the year 1953. The capital of Greenland is Nuuk. Land and location. Greenland lies in the North Polar region, the part of the Earth which is extremely cold throughout the year. Located between the Arctic and North Atlantic Ocean, Greenland is a part of Denmark. It is the world's largest island, with an area of about 21,660,860 square km. The Baffin Bay and the Davis Strait to its west separate from the northern islands of Canada. The Arctic Ocean is to its north and the Greenland Sea is to its east. The Labrador Sea is to its south. The major physical feature of Greenland is its massive ice sheet. About 81% of the country's land surface is covered by the ice sheet. Greenland is a low plateau surrounded by coastal mountains which are always covered with thick snow. During spring, huge blocks of ice break off from the main mass of ice and float into the ocean. These are called icebergs. They can be a great threat to the ships. Fact to know: in 1912, the famous ship Titanic sank after hitting an iceberg. Nowadays, the International Ice Patrol keeps a vigil on icebergs. Climate and vegetation. The climate is very cold in Greenland. The temperature is below 0 degrees Celsius the whole year. The sun never sets in the summer. This is why Greenland is called the land of the midnight sun. In the winter, the sun never rises. Therefore, there is heavy snowfall during the winter. The climate is very harsh. Greenland is a treeless, barren land. However, during summer, a number of small flowery plants grow in the coastal areas and valleys. Along the coast, grasses also grow. Mosses, lichens, grasses and bushes are the only vegetation of Greenland. People and their life. The people of Greenland are called Greenlanders. They are of the Eskimo origin. Eskimos are now known by the name of Inuits. They reached Greenland from North America. They are very hardy people. They have a short, thick body. The Eskimos are yellowish-brown in color. They have short arms and legs. They have slanting eyes and their face is wide and flat. They have long hair. The life of these people is very hard. Due to the harsh climate, they have to work very hard. A few Europeans also live here. The Eskimos wear clothes made of seal skin which is warm and waterproof. The men wear loose-fitting thick coats and trousers with fur-lined hoods drawn tight over their heads, called a parka. The women also dress like men. Only their heads are much bigger because they have to carry their babies in them. They wear Milton's fur gloves and long waterproof boots. Houses of Eskimos are called igloos. They are made up of large ice blocks. Some igloos are made up of wood, skins and stones. The official languages of the country are Greenlandic and Danish. English is also widely spoken by the people. The life of Eskimos has changed in the past few years. Now they have permanent houses with electricity to live in. They consume tinned vegetables and milk imported from other parts of the world. Now some people use rifles instead of harpoons. Fur farms have been established to breed animals. Primary schools, hospitals, libraries and clubs are present in most of towns and villages. Better air facilities which connect Greenland to the cities of Europe and North America have brought the Greenlanders closer to the rest of the world. Wildlife. The wildlife of Greenland includes only those animals which can survive in the harsh cold climate. Polar bears, reindeer, huskies, Arctic fox, musk ox, polar hare, seals and whales are the common examples. Among these, the seals and whales are found along the coast and are hunted by people. Huskies are wolf-like dogs, widely used by people for pulling sledge. These animals of the polar region either have a thick fur on their skin or a thick layer of fat called blubber under their skin, which protects them from severe cold. Minerals and industries. Greenland has deposits of minerals like copper, lead, zinc, uranium and platinum. Zinc and lead are the main ores mined. Agriculture is almost impossible. The main economy of the country is based on fishing, fish exports and mining. Occupations. The occupations of fishing and hunting are followed by the people of Greenland. Hunting is done with the help of a special tool called harpoon. It looks like a spear. Whales and seals are hunted with the help of harpoons. Other animals like polar bears, walruses and musk oxen are also hunted. Eskimos wait patiently over the ice-covered surface of the sea to hunt fishes. Harpoon is attached with a long rope at the other end so that hunted animal doesn't drown and can be pulled out of water. Transportation, shipping and air services are the main means of transport. Air transportation exists both within the country and between Greenland and other nations. There are no roads. Eskimos use special boats called kayaks for transport and for hunting sea animals. It is a small boat covered with sealskin. Another type of boat used by Eskimos is imiak. Its name means woman's boat as opposed to the kayak, which means man's boat. The imiak is a bigger boat used for carrying women and children. Sledges, which are wheel-less carts, are also used for hunting. These are generally pulled by the reindeers or huskies. Now you know, Greenland is a part of Denmark and world's largest island. Large floating blocks of ice are known as icebergs. In winter, the sun does not rise in Greenland, therefore there is heavy snowfall continuously. Reindeer and polar bear are the common animals of Greenland. Hunting and fishing are the prime occupations of Greenland. Eskimos use special boats called kayaks for transport and for hunting. Keywords: vigil, watch, breed. Produce more animals of the same kind. Consume, use, eat or drink. Economy, the state of a country in terms of supply of money.